As far as Doge support floor, it really is presently $0.056, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost examination really is bullish today in a truly significant manner. Dogecoin most certainly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064 in an unobtrusive manner. Doge in a real sense rose 1.53% in 7 days, which especially is very critical. 02 September 2023. In this video we will walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these much of the time, basically clarified some things, facts. What sort of is genuinely transient cost expectation for Dogecoin? Truly is Doge a very wise interest in a sort of enormous manner? Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of is very huge. However, prior to plunging profound into the Doge specialized investigation in every practical sense, let us basically discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which really is very critical. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there by and large was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,044,536,289,332, which especially is very huge. The by and large complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $29,925,801,445 in a fundamentally significant way. Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%. So Dogecoin sort of has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064 in an unobtrusive manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $25,926.63 level after a vertical development of 0.6%. Or so they in a real sense thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large has seen a cost increment of 0.59%, coming to $1,639.72 during the past 24 hours, so 02 September 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time. Explicitly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What for the most part is especially momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. Basically is Doge a genuinely wise speculation? Or so they in every practical sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.95 following a value change of 0.66% inside a similar time period, kind of additional appearance. How Doge for the most part rose 1.53% in 7 days in an essentially large manner. XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP, really is up by 0.14 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a truly significant way. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market generally is going in a sort of descending course for pretty present moment. So the kind of complete exchanging volume really remains at $29,925,801,445, which for the most part is very critical. As of now, a very broad most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically is genuinely huge. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition essentially are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize fundamentally key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, exhibiting how Dogecoin cost investigation explicitly is bullish today, which essentially is very critical. Support especially is a level at which purchasers truly become substantially more kind of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction in every way that really matters is a level at which dealers in a real sense become move kind of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So XRP, the very local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 0.14 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, certainly is at $0.064, up 0.84% in the beyond 24 hours, and essentially has a value change of 1.53% over the course of the week, exhibiting how XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, really is up by 0.14 and right now exchanging at 50 cents in an extremely significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 236,131,649.00 United States dollars, while by and large absolute market cap came to $8,999,925,200 United States dollars. Or so they certainly thought. There in a real sense are practically 140,844,156,384 certainly are available for use out of 140,844,156,384. Extremely further appearance. How Dogecoin cost examination generally is bullish today amazingly. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 02 September 2023. Inside a sort of everyday time period for the most part made sense of beneath, which in a real sense is very critical. We utilize exceptionally relative strength INDEXRSI, moving truly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to truly investigate the future development of the Dogecoin. While Doge's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, genuinely signal especially is most certainly conceivable at this reach, showing how similarly opposition in every practical sense is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters become move all things considered, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So XRP, the especially local coin of XRP by and large is up by 0.14 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, which in a real sense is very critical. The MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid, by and large further appearance. How we utilize fundamentally relative strength INDEXRSI, moving exceptionally normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to especially investigate the future development of the Dogecoin. While Doge's Williams %R pointer especially is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange truly signals sort of is for the most part conceivable at this reach, showing how similarly obstruction essentially is a level at which merchants in every practical sense become move pretty dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP by and